Hallo zusammen. A couple of people have been asking me how to make copies of documents from Google Classroom. And that's a good point. Sometimes you can open them as Google Docs, sometimes you can't. And sometimes you can make them into your own, you can rename them and save them as your own. Okay. So if we go to Wo wohnst du, wo wohnen Sie here, we've got that page there that I've posted, and you can read it all there, and you've got the tasks there, and that looks all good. Okay, so you might want to try and open that as a Google Doc. So you go to these little dots here, more actions, and you click on open a new window, and there you see the same document, and up here you've got open with. So you click on that and you've got Google Docs, open with Google Docs. Okay, should be good, we think. But if we look at it, sometimes it doesn't like to convert certain things that are on the document, such as the diagrams here. Alright, so this one's no good to you. So what you got to do on here, if you're not able to copy it as a PDF or screenshot or something, basically what you do is just read it, and where you've got the tasks here where you need to fill in the gaps, so here you've got to write the English for that, here you've got to write the German here. What you'll have to do is either on your device or in your exercise book write them down. Okay, so you would be doing this here in your exercise book. You can copy this diagram here, copy it into your exercise book, copy that down and fill the gaps. So here you've got im Südwesten, means in the southwest, so you put the English there. In the northwest you need im Nordwesten. Here look at the New Zealand map and say where these people live. So Anna wohnt, where's Anna? Anna is up there. So Anna wohnt im Norden der Nordinsel. So you'd have to write this bit in your exercise books, and the same here. And if you wanted to, you could just jot an outline map of Germany as well. So where you can't open the document to write on, just do it in your exercise books. Okay, so if we come out of that one now, go back there. Okay, so this one here, we've got Wohnen und Herkommen task. In this series of tasks you'll be communicating about where you live and finding an innovative way of communicating this. So again, you go to those three dots here, open in a new window, click on open with. Yeah, that's annoying. Okay, that didn't do that last time. Let's have a look. Get rid of that. Okay, so yeah. So let's see if I can open it there. Open in a new window again. Open with Google Docs. So if it doesn't work the first time round, just come out of it and try it again. Then you've got Google Docs, and you can see that it's got all of what you want there. Okay, however, if you try and write on it, Okay, alright, should say you can't write on it because it's view only, but because this is my document it's allowing me to. But what you want to do anyway is anything that you open in Google Docs that you want to write on, go to File, Make a Copy, and at the beginning just put your name. So for instance, Stefans OK, and then it will come up here. Eventually, I've got lots of documents open, so that's why it's taking so long probably. But now you've got it as a write-on. Okay, so you've put your name here, and now that's your document. And when you've finished with it, you can share it with me. Okay. You can add a note if you want. Send. Okay. So we'll close that. We'll close that one. Go to there. Go back to our class page. Okay. And it's the same with here. Okay. So basically you click on them. Click on there. Open a new window. And open with Google Docs. Okay, and again, go to Make a Copy, File, Make a Copy. Now we're going to call it, instead of Copy or Lender Quiz, you're going to call it Your Name's Lender Quiz. Okay, and we're done. Okay, so basically that's how you would open them in Google Docs, making a copy for yourself and renaming it, and then anything where it's being pesky and it won't allow you to open it as a Google Doc, just do it in your exercise book, take a photo of it and submit it to me. Now just a reminder, all of this stuff here does not have to be done at once. This is for the whole of the rest of the week. Okay, send me a note in the class comments if you're not sure what to do. All right, great. Cheers and cheers.